From coaching sessions and neurological assessments, the ABI reintegration coach can identify what the 3 most relevant physical struggles of the employee are and the 3 work elements that influence their health the most. These results are then integrated into the tool. It is designed to be used after a day of work to reflect on how that day made you feel and what work elements you did. Within the reintegration process, smaller work performance-related goals are often used to keep the recovery process more focused and so that progression can be defined more easily. Therefore, first a specific work performance-related goal is placed at the center of the tool. The reflection process includes 2 steps. In the first step, the worker scores how they felt based on the 3 variables that came from the assessments. By sliding the button, you can indicate how relevant a variable was that day. Bright light means relevant and dim lights mean less relevant. By rotating the button, you can score yourself based on that variable. By playing with the sliders, you get a score in the middle of the tool that represents how well you felt after that day of work. By moving the slider, the tool saves your scores and you go to the second step. Here the worker scores how taxing a workday was based on the 3 relevant work elements that were previously defined. With the slider, you can again say if a work element was relevant or not, and with the buttons you can indicate how much of a variable you did. When the tool is turned off, the slider returns to the first step so that it is ready to be used again the next day. All the scores that the employee inputs on the tool is stored on a memory card in the tool. During the meetings between the reintegration coach and the employee, this data can be reviewed to, for example, identify trends and pinpoint what work elements are keeping the employee back from returning to work.